Clock on the wall is moving way too slow. Got my mind on things that I want you to know. I'm sitting here picturing the lace you wore, the way you looked before you walked out the door. My phone buzzed once, now it's burning a hole. In the pocket of my jeans, I'm losing control. Just one little click, yeah, one little tap is all I need to put me right back on track. Oh, just thought I would text you up at work so you can send me some sightsee upskirt. We can do the sexting back and forth all day. When you get home, we can start to play. Just walk in and drop your panties in my wine so I can get a taste of your all-day divine. And girl, before we take this to our bed, drop to the floor and dip me in your red, yeah. Sun's still high, but I'm closing the blinds, running every memory through both of our minds. You're stuck in a meeting, I'm stuck in a daze, counting down the minutes through a digital haze. Send me a signal, send me a sign. Tell me that you're busy being only mine. I'll keep the glass ready, I'll keep the lights low, waiting for the second that you walk through the door. Oh, just thought I would text you up at work so you can send me some sexy upskirt. We can do this sexting back and forth all day. When you get home, we can start to play. Just walk in and drop your pennies in my wine so I can get a taste of your all-day divine. And girl, before we take this to our bed, drop to the floor and dip me in your red, yeah. Oh, don't worry about the neighbors, don't worry about the time. Tonight there ain't a mountain that we're not gonna climb. From the screen to the kitchen, from the hall to the floor. Whatever you give me, I'm gonna go more. Just thought I would text you, just thought I would text you. Send me some sexy upskirt. We can do the sexting back and forth all day. And when you get home, we can start to play. Just walk in, drop your panties in my arms so I can get a taste of your all-day divine. Before we take this to our bed, drop to the phone and let me drink it back. You're red, yeah. Just leave them in the glass. I'm ready by to go. Don't keep me waiting. Drop to the floor and put me in your red, yeah.